Hi there, and welcome to today's English tutorial. In this video, we are going to tackle two commonly confused words, along and alongside. This preposition might seem similar, but they have distinct meanings and uses. By the end of this video, you will know exactly when and how to use them. Let's get started. Let's start with along. This word has two main meanings. Understanding both will help you use it correctly in different contexts. The first meaning is the one you probably hear most often. It refers to movement in straight line or position beside something long, like a road or a river. But there is a second meaning you might not know. Along can also describe being in agreement or doing something together with others. Let me break it down for you. Meaning number 1. Linear direction or position. Moving in the same direction or beside something long. Example 1. She walked along the riverbank enjoying the view. Example 2. There are lights placed along the highway. Now let's jump to meaning 2. In agreement or together. Definition. Refers to cooperation or simultaneous action. Example 1. I went along with their plan. Example 2. He sang along with the music. As you can see, the first meaning has more physical while second meaning is more abstract, involving agreement or cooperation. Keep this in mind as we move forward. Now let's look at alongside. This word is all about being positioned next to or parallel to something else. It's commonly used when talking about physical closeness or teamwork. Think of it as emphasizing side-by-side placement or collaboration. Here's what you need to know. Definition. Close to or next to something, especially in parallel. The ship docked alongside the pier. She worked alongside her mentor on the project. The cyclist rode alongside the car. Remember, alongside always highlights the idea of closeness, whether it's physical, like a ship next to pier, or metaphorical, like working together with someone. Now that we understand each word on its own, let's compare them directly. This side-by-side table will help you clearly see the difference between along and alongside. Notice how along often refers to movement or agreement, while alongside focuses on side-by-side proximity or teamwork. This distinction will guide you to choose the right word in any situation. Let's solidify your understanding with few more examples. Pay attention to how these words are used in real-world sentences. Using along, direction and path. She walked along the beach at sunset. There are flowers growing along the garden fence. Using along, agreement or cooperation. He went along with the idea despite his doubts. The crowd sang along with the performer. Now using alongside. The dog ran alongside its owner during the jog. They worked alongside experts to develop the new product. Notice how the examples for along involve either movement or agreement, while those for alongside focus on being next to or collaborating with something or someone. Now it's your turn. Let's test your knowledge with a quick quiz. I'll read each sentence and you can decide whether to fill in the blank with along or alongside. Ready? We walked the riverbank. The team worked local authorities to organize the event. He went with her suggestions. The cyclist rode the main road. She parked her car the building. Pause the video if you need extra time and write your answers in comment. Great job on the quiz. Let's quickly recap what we have learned. Use along for movement, position along a path or agreement. Use alongside to describe closeness, side-by-side positioning, or collaboration. If you are ever unsure, just visualize the sentence and ask yourself, is it about direction or being side by side? Thanks for watching. I hope this lesson helped you to understand the difference between along and alongside. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more English lessons like this one. See you in the next video.